Hi guys, thanks for joining the third video of our Snowflake series. I'm Tom Bruce, delivery lead at Snap Analytics, a UK-based analytics consultancy and also a Snowflake partner. Today we'll be going through how you can natively load semi-structured data straight into Snowflake without having to do any kind of transformation before loading it in. So the semi-structured data that we'll be using today will be a JSON file, but it could also be an Avro file, Parquet file, XML file. So actually being able to load this data in means that you can start to use extract, load, and transform rather than having to transform that data before loading it into your data warehouse. So we'll create this table which will represent our weather data for New York. And I'll run this now, and it's using the variant data type. So this is the data type within Snowflake that allows you to store semi-structured data such as JSON data as we are here. So you'll see that this has now created a blank table which we'll use to store our weather data, and we'll be loading this data in from an external stage where we have all of that weather data stored. So what I will do is we'll create that stage, and we'll also then show you that those files exist within that stage. So now we'll list the files, and we should see all of the different JSON files which we're about to load straight into the Snowflake data warehouse. So using the copy command, we'll now load it in. We've stated here that the file format is a JSON file, and you can also set some other settings as to how it can handle those JSON files within that file format. So we'll load that data in now. So as we can see, it's copying the data across. And now you can see here that it's loaded all of those different files. You can see the amount of rows which have been passed. And what we'll do here is we'll then show you the data that we now have loaded. So this is the semi-structured JSON data for the New York weather. And here you can see that it stores it within here as if it is a JSON file. So here you have all of the source JSON, and you can then start to use that to query directly within Snowflake. And that's all just then stored in a data type variant, which is how Snowflake is able to load that semi-structured data straight into the data warehouse. I hope this video has been useful for showing how you can start to load semi-structured data directly into Snowflake and the power that I can give you by then combining that with structured data for reporting within Snowflake. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.